straighten. Straighten is actually controlling all of this, not all of them. For example, if you have a style, if you also, for example, have a style in, for example, select the hair. If you, for example, use these tools, for example, brush and brush some of them in this direction, you can see if you render, the hair style are changing the direction. For example, you bend some of them. You can see we change the style. Straighten all of this at once. If you activate with the straighten power 100%, you can see it's trying to straighten all of this from the root. You can control from the root going 100% to the tip. For example, I just want to straighten just roots, not tip, or vice versa, root 0% at the root and 100% the tip. You can control, but in the default is 100%. Is straighten all the hair with strength of the 100%. If you don't want any variation, you can make it 0. And as you can see, all of the hair are straightened at the like before, like default, and it looks like you didn't use any, for example, curl. You can see the curl they are not affecting because we straighten everything with 100%. If you increase the number of that, it's trying to straighten some of the hair with this power, half of its power. And the different thing, the toward normal, toward root of the segment, you change them to see which one is better for you, or normal surface, or based on the guide. You can see some of them. For example, in this case, 100% does not work as a guide because its guide are turning. So change them to see which one is good for you. Now you can see the normal is, in my case, is better. So change them to see which one is better for you. That's straighten. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.